Chad Berman here with DuraStorm VSH. VSH stands for Very Severe Hail, which is Factory Mutual's most severe hail approval rating to date. Sourced from 100% post-consumer and post-industrial waste, DuraStorm VSH has a coated glass spacer for Adhere single-ply membranes. At 3,900 psi, DuraStorm VSH is the only product other than OSB and plywood to be able to achieve Factory Mutual's Very Severe Hail approval rating.
Now we're going to show you two Very Severe Hail approved assemblies. Remember that coverboard attachment is critical in a VSH system. Our first Very Severe Hail approved system will incorporate a TPO Fleece Membrane. Because we're using a TPO Fleece Membrane, we can use standard plates and fasteners to attach the coverboard to the deck or the subsequent insulation boards. We will be using 2-part polyurethane adhesive to attach the fleece membrane. Our next Very Severe Hail approved assembly will incorporate a TPO Bareback Membrane. Because we're using a TPO Bareback Membrane, the approval requires that we bury the plates and fasteners below the coverboard. You would then use a 2-part polyurethane adhesive to attach the coverboard and use standard bonding adhesive to attach the membrane.
The recycled coverboard solution meets the Very Severe Hail requirements in the 14 states specified by Factory Mutual. It also meets the specifications outside those states for Very Severe Hail requirements. It's essentially a drop-in substitution for gypsum products, offering superior moisture resistance. And last but not least, this product provides a waste diversion credit for every 1,000 square foot used. It will divert 1 ton of waste from the landfills. For more information on DuraStorm VSH, visit our website.